10 latest Facebook security and OSINT tools in 2026. Have you ever wondered how cybersecurity professionals investigate fake profiles, track online threats, and analyze social media security? In today's video, we are going to explore 10 of the latest tools that ethical hackers, OSINT investigators, and cybersecurity researchers are using in 2026 to analyze social media activity and strengthen online security. Before we begin, a quick reminder: these tools are designed for legal security research, digital investigations, and authorized testing only. Unauthorized access to any account is illegal and unethical. Now, let's dive into the list. Starting at number 10, we have Sherlock. Sherlock is a popular open-source tool that allows investigators to search for usernames across hundreds of websites and social media platforms. If a username exists on multiple services, Sherlock can help uncover those public profiles, making it useful for digital investigations and online identity research. At number 9, we have Spiderfoot. Spiderfoot automates open-source intelligence gathering and collects information from hundreds of public sources. Security researchers use it to identify exposed information, connected accounts, domains, and digital assets that may be linked to a target organization or online identity. Coming in at number 8 is Maltego. Maltego is one of the most powerful intelligence analysis tools available today. It helps investigators visualize relationships between people, email addresses, websites, phone numbers, and social media profiles. Instead of looking at data separately, Maltego allows analysts to see how everything connects together. At number 7, we have the Harvester. This tool specializes in gathering publicly available information such as email addresses, domains, and subdomains. It is widely used during the reconnaissance phase of security assessments and investigations. Number 6 on our list is ReconNG. ReconNG provides a modular framework for open-source intelligence gathering. It automates many tasks that would otherwise take hours to perform manually, helping security professionals collect and organize information more efficiently. Moving to number 5, we have OSINT framework. Although it's not a single tool, it serves as a massive collection of intelligence gathering resources. Investigators can use it to access hundreds of databases, search engines, and research platforms that assist with digital investigations. At number 4, we have Wireshark. Wireshark is one of the world's most trusted network analysis tools. It allows analysts to inspect network traffic in real time and understand how devices communicate across a network. This makes it incredibly valuable when investigating suspicious activity or troubleshooting security issues. Coming in at number 3 is Nmap. Nmap is a powerful network discovery and security auditing tool. It helps identify devices, discover services, and assess security configurations. Cybersecurity professionals rely on Nmap during penetration testing and security assessments because of its speed, accuracy, and flexibility. Taking the number 2 spot is Burp Suite. Burp Suite is a leading web application security testing platform. Many social media-related applications and services rely on web technologies, and Burp Suite helps researchers identify vulnerabilities, analyze requests, and improve application security. It remains one of the most respected tools in the cybersecurity industry. And finally, at number 1, we have Metasploit framework. Metasploit continues to be one of the most powerful platforms for penetration testing and security validation. Security professionals use it to verify vulnerabilities, test security controls, and improve organizational defenses. In 2026, Metasploit remains an essential part of almost every professional security toolkit. Now that you've seen these 10 powerful tools, it's important to understand that cybersecurity is not just about finding weaknesses, it's about helping organizations and individuals stay protected. These tools are valuable because they allow researchers and security professionals to identify risks before malicious actors can exploit them. As online threats continue to evolve, learning how to use security tools responsibly will become more important than ever. Whether you are interested in ethical hacking, penetration testing, digital forensics, or open source intelligence, mastering these tools can significantly improve your cybersecurity skills. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future cybersecurity content. Also, let me know in the comments which tool you would like to learn about next. Thanks for watching, stay safe online, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Closed lock rocket.